Hi viewers, welcome back. This is Sudhakar from Lohit Computer Academy. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. To calculate them, we need an equilateral triangle. Draw an equilateral triangle ABC where angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degrees. Let the sides of an equilateral triangle AB, BC, CA as 2A units. Draw the perpendicular line CD from the vertex C to AB. This perpendicular line acts as angle bisector of angle C, means this perpendicular line divides this angle into two equal angles, that is angle ACD equal to 30 degrees and angle BCD equal to 30 degrees, and also this perpendicular line bisects the side AB, means it divides the AB into two equal lengths, that is AD equal to half AB, that is AB means 2A by 2, that equal to A. Therefore AD equal to A and BD equal to A. If you observe this triangle ACD, in this is 30 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees. What about this angle? 30 plus 60 90, this is also 90. Therefore angle ADC is 90 degrees. So this ACD triangle is a right angle triangle. In this ACD right angle triangle, AC equal to 2A and AD equal to A. Now we have to find length of the CD. For this, by Pythagoras theorem, AD square plus CD square equal to AC square, that is CD square equal to AC square minus AD square, that is CD square equal to, here AC means CA, that is 2A whole square minus AD means A, that is A square. 2A whole square means 4A square, A square. 4A square minus A square. 4A square minus A square means that is 3A square, that is CD square equal to 3A square. CD equal to square root of 3A square, that equal to square root of 3 into square root of A square. Here square root and square get cancelled, it remains A, that is root 3 into A or A root 3. So we got the length of the CD value as A root 3. Now we have the all three sides of this right angle triangle ACD. Let us calculate the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees, that is sin 30. For this we have to calculate the trigonometric ratios for angle C, that is sin C equal to sin 30 equal to, sin means opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AD by AC, that is equal to A by 2A. A get cancelled, it remains 1 by 2. Therefore sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Next, cos 30. Cos 30 means adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is CD by AC, that is equal to, CD means A root 3 and AC means 2A. A root 3 by 2A, that is A get cancelled, it remains root 3 by 2. Therefore cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Next, tan C, that is tan 30. Tan 30 means opposite side by adjacent side, that is AD by CD, that equal to AD means A, CD means A root 3, that is A by A root 3. A get cancelled, it remains 1 by root 3, that is tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Let us revise trigonometric ratios and multiplicative inverse. In the previous class we have learnt the trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees, that is sin A, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2, tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is 1, and secant A is root 2 and cosecant A is also root 2. Now in this class we have learnt trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Let us see. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, that is 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2, and the multiplicative inverse of sin 30 is cosecant 30, that is cosecant 30 equal to 2. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2 is 2, that is cosecant 30 is 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That is cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and the multiplicative inverse of cos 30 means secant 30. Secant 30 equal to 2 by root 3. The multiplicative inverse of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Therefore, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That is 1 by root 3. And multiplicative inverse of tan 30 means cot 30. That is cot 30 equal to root 3. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by root 3 is root 3. That is cot 30 is root 3. Now, let us see the trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees. For this, we have to calculate the trigonometric ratios of angle A. Here, sin A equal to, that is sin 60 means opposite side by hypotenuse. That is sin 60 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is CD by AC. That is equal to CD means A root 3 and AC means 2A. A root 3 by 2A. A get cancelled. That is root 3 by 2. Therefore, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. And cos 60. Cos 60 equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is AD by AC. AD by AC means A by 2A. A get cancelled. That is 1 by 2. That is cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. And tan 60. Tan 60 means opposite side by adjacent side. That is opposite side means CD, adjacent side means AD. CD by AD, that is A root 3 by A. A get cancelled, it remains root 3. Therefore, tan 60 equal to root 3. Let us revise the trigonometric ratios and multiplicative inverse of 60 degrees. We have already learnt the trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees and the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Now, sin 60. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2, and multiplicative inverse of sin 60 means cosecant 60, that is 2 by root 3. That is 2 by root 3 means multiplicative inverse of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root. Next, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2, and multiplicative inverse of cos 60 means secant 60. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2 means 2. That is secant 60 equal to 2. That is 2. Next, tan 60 means root 3, and multiplicative inverse of tan 60 means cot 60. That is multiplicative inverse of root 3 means 1 by root 3. That is cot 60 is 1 by root 3. That's it. We have finished trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees and 30 degrees and 60 degrees. In the next class, we will see the trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, thank you.